your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.
Hey guys, we're going on the, what do you call it, love?
Night market.
Night market. So night market here is, they are sometimes on the different places. So it's very, if your place that's near you have have night market, kailangan yung pumunta agad guys, kasi minsan lang talaga siya mangyari. Kasi palipat-lipat sila ng iba-ibang place. So ito sila, ito yung night market nila. We're going there right now. I'm with my mother-in-law. I'm with my mama. Yan. Ganda guys. Daming tao for today. Tonight. TJ smoking. Yan na. There we go. Hi, Martin. We're going to eat. Kakatapos lang namin kumain sa McDonald's. Panghimagas. Dami pa yun mamaya guys. Isa na lang siya, kaya lahat ng Pilipino or lahat ng tao dadang sa mamaya-maya. Or meron na nga ngayon marami ng tao. Ito lang yung mga suot, nakapangbahay lang. Unless you're working on a corporate world, tapos you came here. Simple lang dito. Masyado kong overdressed before, even though we're just going sa market or sa food or kakainin namin. Ngayon hindi na. Natuto na ako guys. Super simple lang sila dito. Mabibili kami ng food. Bibili kami ng food. Ayan yung mga food guys. Kami ng
Iya. Jualan juga. Hah? Jauh jauh. Jauh jauh. Lah. 我再买点回家给他们吃嘛。
Hi guys, so andito pa kami. And by the way guys, these are called Pasar Malam. Yes guys, Pasar Malam is what all of this food called. In Malay, it's a night market. If there is a Pasar Malam, like this whole thing that's happening right now, it means that there's upcoming festival, because nangyayari lang siya yung ganitong night market kapag may mga festival like Chinese New Year or like Christmas or everything that is holiday. Minsan naman kahit walang holiday or walang festival, meron pa rin. Pero it's just a normal street food. Hindi katulad ng ganito na bongga talaga, like madaming food at maraming street food. So basically this whole thing is other food are halal, which is Muslim, because malapit na kasi yung Ramadan, so they opened it up, this whole area, just for this food. Ha? Okay. Suya milk. Kambing guys. I don't eat kambing. So, some food guys are halal, pero hindi naman lahat. Halal means for the Muslim only. Like no pork, everything na bawal kainin nila. So, yes. And other food naman is hindi naman siya halal. And the good thing here is hindi sila makakapagpatayo ng business if wala silang mga permit. Like, kailangan lahat ng business dito dumadaan sa government nila, hindi katulad sa ibang lugar na pwede kang mag-illegal business lang basta-basta, or like mag-tinda. Walang ganun dito guys. If ano lang yung tinda mo, yun dapat yung permit mo. Like for example, my husband have a shop na fruit stall. So fruit stall, yun yung paper documents niya na ipapasa niya sa government for fruit stall, yung ititinda niya. Hindi siya pwede magtinda ng ibang range ng pagkain. Like this one, street food, kung ano-ano lang. Basta kung fruit lang. Pag food lang. At dapat siya. Like, may standard siya, guys. Like, kung ano yung mga pwedeng standard lang sa food mo, dapat malinis, dapat ganito. Dapat lahat yan pasado. Lahat ng standards ng food dapat pasado. From ingredients to place to your store, the cleanliness, the food. Kasi sinisigurado talaga nila na dapat walang poison or anything, or maganda yung ingredients, ganito. Pasok siya sa lahat ng standards dito for food business. Ganun siya kahigpit guys, ganun siya ka-strict. So lahat, hindi ka matatakot like try lahat yung food dito, kasi every food here is approved or approved by the government, halal approved, or anything that has documents na nagpapatunay na their food is safe. Ganun yan. Ganun kaganda. See you guys. bibili kami dito. Nag-video ko ba? May nag-video ko yata doon. They are called halal, guys. Thank you. Wait.
点那个辣椒咖喱的咯，假的。
Let's try tanghulu.
大奥利奥蛮大的。
Big rock.
Good. 3块。
So that's all for my vlog for today, guys, and I hope you like it. So according naman sa food, yes, as much as my husband wants to have his own food stall, hindi siya madali, guys. Super hassle siya for the documents and everything, ang government documents, lahat pagdadaanan mo bago ka makapagtinda or bago ka makapag-business. So marami ka muna pagdadaanan. So marami pa palang places yung Pasar Malam dito, guys. Pumunta pa kami sa isang place na andun din may mga food stall din, mga gamit, lahat, things, furnitures, fruits. Andun lahat, pero yun nga hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi I'm low bat na. So I haven't shared to you guys, pero next time if we go there, because 1 month naman dito yung Pasar Malam, I'll show you guys the other place. So yun, guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.